are the Felon frames, and we'll be showing you how to remove and install lenses. To remove the lens, you must loosen the screw located at the top of the lens. You only need to loosen it by turning it counterclockwise. You do not need to take out the screw completely. Once you have done that, you should be able to pop out the lens very easily. Mind the screw, you do not want it to fall out. If the screw falls out, just gently put it back into the spot where it came out of. And tighten it a little bit so it does not fall out again. To install it, you must put the lens into all the grooves. No part of the lens should be outside of a groove. The popping noise is very good. It just means that the lens is secure. Next step is to screw in the screw. You screw in the screw by turning the screwdriver to the right. Once you have done that, you check to see if the lenses are securely fastened.